Welcome to this vlog, guys. So today we are about to be having a very exciting day or exciting time because we have come to one of the Dubai's newest tourist attractions. In fact, this is the newest tourist attraction, guys, and it is nothing but Dubai Frame. Now apparently this is something biggest in the world they have created, and it's kind of a frame, as you can see. So we'll be going on the top, and how exciting it is that you'll come to know as we go along. This is a frame which we are going to climb up, and for which we have to get a ticket from here. Finally we have got our tickets, and only 3 of us had to get tickets because 2 of us are senior citizens, my mom and dad, above 60, and if you're above 60 it becomes free entry. So yeah, you need to carry your passports or proof showing that they are above 60. So only 3 of us have to get tickets, and we have already gotten it. So look at the view, guys, right now. Isn't it amazing? And we are going to climb up. Yay! Oh my god, so this is the building which we are going to climb, guys. It's 155 meters tall, and then there's a bridge over it which is 92 meters. Guys, हम बहुत excited हैं आज. आप excited हो कि नहीं?
Definitely.
हाँ, दुबई का नया अट्रैक्शन है और बहुत एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि क्या है अंदर खाली फ्रेम है और कुछ एग्जीबिशन और कुछ म्यूजियम है, वो भी देखने के बहुत एक्साइटेड. वाओ!
Oh my god, look at this texture. So guys, we are about to be approaching the entrance which is there, but look at the view in front of it. It's amazing. So this is the entrance. After check-in, security check-in, you directly come inside the lobby, and inside the lobby they have kept some of the benches. So as you can see, they have tried making it a little attractive. Some of the horses are also here, and all in all this lobby looks so attractive. I'm sure there's a small escalator that we're taking right now, and once we go near the lift, we have to take lift till the top. So I'm sure the view will be very amazing.
Thank you.
You can see we have just climbed up first floor, and they have, as I said, depicted all the information about Dubai Frame. So people are little busy reading it, so you will find a lot of crowd over here. And then we have to take a lift to go up. So let's see.
Father of Dubai.
This is kind of a museum they have put over here, where you'll get to see the olden days of Dubai, and they have made a documentary out of it. So it is really worth watching it. And if you don't watch it, you can just skip and then get into this gate to go up. So the museum still continues.
No, use camera. This one.
Finally, guys, we have made it over to the top, and as you can see, it is very crowded. People are enjoying, and now I'm going to show you all the parts of this Dubai Frame. We are actually over the bridge right now.
So amazing.
Yeah, as you can see from our faces, we are very excited here. So Pratik, what are you doing exactly?
So I'm taking a video and I'm working on the
Oh my god! Now in case you're wondering why are they being so cautious, look here, guys. Oh my god, it's so deep. So now I'll just walk you through all the parts of this bridge, and it is 92 meters long, so it's pretty long, guys. It can accommodate so many people. So let's see around.
My God.
So now I'll tell you one more special thing about this Dubai frame. Now from one side of the frame you will see older part of Dubai, which is like cities like Karama, Bar Dubai or Dera, Knife Road and all. And on one side you have modern Dubai. So you'll see all the downtown cities on one side and older part of Dubai on other side. So let me show you now. This is the bridge area, guys, and right over here we have olden Dubai, where you'll see areas like Karama, Dera, Bar Dubai, Knife Road and all. So you will not see so many skyscrapers over here. And on the other side, if we take, then this is the downtown of Dubai. So here it is, guys, and it's full of many of the skyscrapers, right? I'm just walking in the middle of the bridge and just see how deep it is. It's pretty deep, isn't it? In case this breaks and I fall, then I'll have no existence henceforth. फ्रेमच्या या साईडला नवीन दुबई आहे, सगळे डाउनटाउनच्या बिल्डिंग, बुर्ज खलिफा अँड ऑल यू विल सी हियर. आणि त्या साईडला ओल्ड दुबई, जसं की करामा, बर दुबई, नाईफ रोड and all these things. So I'm just explaining them how it looks. So guys, did you like it? I'm sure you must be, right? And it is one of its kind, guys. So they have constructed it beautifully. In case you're wondering what these people are doing over here, they've got a selfie machine with which you can take your photo, and this photo, as per agreement, will be displayed downstairs. Where it is going to be displayed? On the Dubai Moments Wall. Monument was opened on 1st January 2018, and in fact we had come here on the same day, but then it was overcrowded. We couldn't get the tickets. So we thought that we'll take the opportunity to come on Saturday, because Saturday usually is not off day for many people. So we are not finding it too crowded. So I would advise you to come on Saturdays if you can. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to this amazing place, and trust me, it's an awesome place, guys. Now we've tried covering literally everything. The only part that we couldn't cover is museum, where photography or videography was not allowed. But then otherwise, right from the bottom, I mean the surrounding environment, from ticket collecting until we come up, we've tried covering literally everything. Right now, guys, we'll be leaving this place and we'll be taking a lift again to go down, of course, and we'll see what else is there to explore. Okay, let's go down. Now we have to go down. Thank you. So now the next part of this place would be to enter into Future Zone, and you will see how Dubai would look after 50 years, right? Excited? Yeah. Welcome to the Future Zone. Oh my god, something futuristic over here.
Please proceed now. Camera is not.
Not. Thank you. This is the last part of this frame where they have put up some mugs or cups on sale, which you can buy if you want. If you don't, you don't.
If you want to buy souvenir of Dubai frame, the cost will be 1,000 dirham.
Huh? We're just completely out of Dubai frame right now, and here is where Dubai frame is, where we were in at the top. And there were basically two parts where videography was not allowed. One of them was Dubai
Old
Museum.
Dubai.
Yeah, where old Dubai was shown. And yeah, it was kind of predictable, because you would have seen already in Dubai Museum if you have visited earlier. But then the other part, which was Future Zone, was really amazing, guys. It was just unimaginary, and there were so many cars, so many
Flying taxis,
helicopters, drone machines, even the machines which were, you know, rolling over the normal roads were kind of different, or they have shown how Dubai would look after 50 years. So that is something amazing and even unimaginary, I would say, right now. Besides this tall standing Dubai frame, it has got a very nice environment. Of course, it's artificial, but they have constructed it very well. And as you can see, there is a sitting arrangement as well. There are fountains lying over here. So the crowd, as you can see, is increasing there. This is the gate. From there they have to get in. And here is my family, who is busy taking pictures like they do it everywhere. Here I'm standing with my family and we are going to end this vlog right now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find it really informative, please do share with your friends and families and hit that like option if you really liked it. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Subscribe kara.
And share kara.
आणि
Click करा.
अरे कशावर क्लिक करा?
Comment kara.
कमेंट करा.
Comment करा.
Right now I'm just going to let my family to end this vlog. Let them put an end note.
stay blessed.
Stay happy.
Enjoy your life. Bye.